Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to increase the deposit limit at Bet365. Now before we start, make sure to like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. Now in order to increase the deposit limit, what you're gonna have to do is simply log in and click on your account icon in the top right corner, then simply click on gambling controls. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to deposit limit. So you're gonna have to simply click on that, and then here you can simply increase the deposit limits or decrease them depending on what do you want to do. So if you click on this change button, you're gonna see here that you can change the deposit limits of your Bet365 account. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.